don't want to pay 48,500 naira for Grok after your free trial ends, then listen carefully. And before your 3-day free period runs out, you need to cancel it now so you don't get charged. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to cancel it step by step. Don't skip this.
The first thing you do, you log into your Google Play Store. This is your Google Play Store. The next thing, you click on this icon that shows your email. Then the next thing we do, we search for payment and subscription. Let's look at subscription here. So you click on this subscription. You can see it here. Look at it. So you click on it. So the next thing, look at cancel subscription here. So if you click on this one now, the subscription will be cancelled. So this is what you do if you want to cancel your Grok subscription. That is, if you don't want them to debit you the 48,500 naira. So you just have to follow this swift procedure to cancel it. So if you have any other question, you can put it on the comment section and you'll be responded to swiftly. After you have cancelled it, it must show something like this later. You can see it cancelled. They put resubscribe. If you don't show this, you know that you have not worked. Or they will tell you it will be cancelled so period. So you may click on that cancel subscription, check what they are writing. This bring another this thing again to say cancel or something like unsubscribe. Click on cancel, not unsubscribe. Just click on cancel so that you cancel it. That is it. Make sure at the end of the day, maybe after a few hours, everything looks like this. It will be showing cancelled. You can see cancel here now. That is it. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips.